During this video, we will be completing the first aluminum recycling lab. The purpose of this lab is to chemically change or recycle waste aluminum foil. Why should we recycle aluminum? Well, first of all, aluminum cannot be found in its elemental form in nature. It's found as this mineral here called bauxite. It must be mined and separated from all the other components of that mineral to be made into pure aluminum. There are no bauxite deposits in the United States. Therefore, this mineral would have to be imported into the United States to be refined. That costs money. Producing one new aluminum can from refined bauxite costs just as much as producing 20 aluminum cans from recycled aluminum. During this lab, we will be using a thermometer to record several temperatures. It's very important that we read thermometers to the tenths place or 1 decimal place when we are working in the lab. Let's look at a couple examples. If this was a thermometer reading, we would not read it as just 100 degrees Celsius because we can estimate the tenths place on these thermometers. Therefore, the best answer for a thermometer reading like this would be 100.0. We need to use the instrument correctly to get the most precise number. Let's look at another example. So in this one, we can see the temperatures between 28 and 29. Well, we can estimate that tenths place. We might say this is 28.5 degrees Celsius. Now maybe you think it's 28.6. It doesn't matter as long as we have that tenths place. Let's look at another example. Here, we know we have the thermometer reading at about 49. But if we said just 49, that would be wrong because we can read this to the tenths place. So we would record this temperature as 49.0 in our lab. So we can see we have a temperature here between 63 and 64. We can estimate that to the tenths place. So maybe you think this is 63.6. That's great, as long as you have a reading to the tenths place. Now that we understand that, let's get started with the lab.